Have you ever laid awake at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering if a robot is coming for your job? It's a question on everyone's mind, whispered in coffee shops and debated in boardrooms. Will AI make you obsolete? The year is 2026, and the world is changing faster than ever. We see headlines everywhere, some screaming about mass unemployment, others promising a utopia of endless leisure. So, what's the real story? Let's cut through the noise and look at what's actually happening. We're standing on the brink of the single biggest shift in the job market since the Industrial Revolution. And just like back then, some jobs are indeed fading away. Think about the tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and rule-based. Data entry, basic customer service inquiries, certain types of assembly line work. These are the low-hanging fruit for automation. AI is incredibly good at processing vast amounts of information, spotting patterns, and executing tasks with superhuman speed and accuracy. So yes, if your job consists primarily of tasks that a sophisticated spreadsheet could perform, it's time to start thinking about a change. These roles are being transformed, not necessarily eliminated overnight, but the demand for purely manual, repetitive human labor is shrinking. But here's the twist, and it's a crucial one. While AI is closing some doors, it's simultaneously unlocking a whole universe of new ones. This isn't a story about human versus machine, it's a story about human plus machine. The future isn't about being replaced, it's about being augmented. AI is becoming the ultimate assistant, the ultimate tool that frees us from the mundane and allows us to focus on what we, as humans, do best. So what are these uniquely human skills? Let's talk about creativity. Can an AI generate a beautiful image or a catchy tune? Absolutely. But can it understand the cultural context, the emotional resonance, the spark of a truly original idea that connects with people on a deep level? That's our domain. Think of artists, writers, designers, and marketers using AI not to replace their creativity, but to supercharge it. They're using AI to generate a dozen initial concepts in seconds, to analyze market trends for inspiration, or to handle the tedious technical aspects of their craft, freeing them up to focus on the big, innovative picture. The creator of tomorrow won't be replaced by AI. They'll be the one who knows how to conduct an orchestra of AI tools to create something truly groundbreaking. Next, let's look at emotional intelligence and empathy. Can a chatbot answer a customer's question? Yes. But can it truly understand their frustration, offer a genuinely empathetic ear, and build a lasting relationship? Not on its own. Jobs that require deep human connection are becoming more valuable than ever. Think of therapists, nurses, teachers, and great leaders. These roles are built on a foundation of trust, understanding, and nuanced communication. An AI can provide a doctor with instant access to a patient's entire medical history and the latest research. But it can't hold a patient's hand and explain a difficult diagnosis with compassion. A teacher can use AI to create personalized lesson plans for each student, but it's the human teacher who inspires curiosity, mentors, and notices when a student is having a bad day. In a world of increasing automation, our ability to connect with each other becomes our most powerful asset. And what about critical thinking and complex problem solving? AI is a master of data, but we are the masters of context and wisdom. An AI can analyze a million data points about supply chain disruptions, but it takes a human strategist to weigh the geopolitical risks, consider the long-term brand implications, and make a bold, intuitive decision. Engineers, scientists, urban planners, and entrepreneurs will use AI as a powerful analytical engine. They'll feed it problems, and the AI will offer solutions and simulations at a scale we can barely imagine. But it will be the human expert who asks the right questions, interprets the results, and navigates the messy, unpredictable real world to implement those solutions. The future belongs to the problem solvers, the people who can look at a complex system, see the connections that AI might miss, and chart a course forward. So, the question isn't, will AI take my job? The real question is, how can I use AI to do my job better, smarter, and more creatively? The future isn't about a binary choice between keeping your job and losing it. It's about evolution. It's about becoming an AI-augmented professional. A graphic designer who uses AI to generate mood boards. A lawyer who uses AI to sift through thousands of legal documents in minutes. A financial analyst who uses AI to build more accurate predictive models. The common thread is adaptation. The people who will struggle are not the ones whose jobs are automated. The people who will struggle are the ones who refuse to learn and adapt. The famous line you've probably heard is true: AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. This is your call to action. It's time to get curious. Start playing with the AI tools available right now. Take an online course. Read articles. Talk to people in your field about how they're using this technology. Don't see AI as a threat, see it as the most powerful tool you've ever been given. The future can seem intimidating, with its glowing skylines and holographic interfaces, but it's not something that happens to us. It's something we build. The future belongs to the curious, the adaptable, the lifelong learners. It belongs to those who embrace change and see it not as an end, but as a new and exciting beginning. So, are you ready to adapt? Are you ready to build your future? The tools are here. The opportunity is now. Let's get to work. Thanks so much for watching. If this got you thinking, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing future. See you in the next one.